Hi friends! So, konting darkness muna kasi isang light lang yung nakasetup sa akin at the moment. This is a spontaneous video and today we're going to reveal our replacement chair from our legendary monoblock. Let's welcome our next chair. Yeah, let's welcome our chair, CU M57. Yes, welcome to the community. This is not a structured video, by the way. So wala akong script whatsoever. And I don't really know how to do an unboxing video whatsoever. Hindi ko to plinano. I just feel like documenting it since I'm documenting my 20s naman talaga and sharing it to the world, to my community, to my subscribers, to you. And I don't really know how to do a review thing, but probably maybe I'll be making one soon kung anong status nitong share na to in the future, like kung anong quality niya after using this for a couple of years. And unboxing things is not really my niche, you know. I don't know if this will fit my contents, pero yes, I'm really happy na I have a new chair and this will have a humongous amount of participation in my future videos. So, keep watching. Ito na nga ang CU M57 ergonomic chair katabi ng aking monoblock. Oh. Ito, tour ko lang kayo kung paano ko pinagtripan yung upuan, i-assemble. Yan, unbox kunwari, gupit, tas tanggal ng mga bubble wrap, mga scotch tape. Yan. So, ito na yun, nakabox yung mga parts sa loob. So yan, may gloves. Kumari sinuot ko yan sa pag-assemble pero hindi talaga. Props ko lang yan para kumari malinis. So ito yung, hindi ko alam anong tawag sa mga terms. So pasensya na kayo. Backseat, yung headrest, yung original gulong, hindi ko yung ginamit. So bumili ako ng bago kasi sabi sa mga review, bumili daw. Ito yung, ewan ko, lift, armrest, ito yung pang-adjust. Tapos ito, kala ko may check sa loob, yung pala warranty card. May manual, pero katulad nyo na hindi nagbabasa, hindi ko rin binasa. Ito yung headrest ulit. Tapos ito yung, ano ba tawag dito, paa. Bakal yan, hindi ko alam kung anong bakal, pero bakal. Tapos nakatahi sa gilid yung kanilang logo. Ito yung lumbar support. Oh, nag-research. Tapos ito yung mga screws. Dahil todo kalat ako, todo linis rin ako. Dito naman, na-assemble ko na. Dahil mag-isa lang ako, mahirap. Pero kaya. Kinabit ko yung mga paa hanggang sa umikot ang mundo. Yan, kabit-kabit na mga screws. I think kahit hindi mo talaga basahin, makukuha mo naman talaga. Kasi kutob lang yan guys, parang nagluluto ka lang. Tapos, yan, kabit gamit yung Allen wrench. Then, yun na testing kunwari, durability test. Ito tawag ata dito gasket. Pang-adjust ng, di ko alam. So, yan yung base, di ko alam. Ito, kabit ko lang yung headrest. So, yun na. Oh, walang aesthetic shots po dito, pero maganda yung material. Nylon ata to. Oh, tapos may logo sa likod ng CU. Ito 3D yan na-adjust. Nang ininaas. Also, this is not a sponsored episode. I'm not affiliated with them, with CU, or with things we use where I bought this chair. Pero I just want to share, pinag-ipunan ko naman to, so I guess it's really worth it to invest in quality things rather than, hindi ko magtuturo. Pero yun, abangan nyo yung mga next episodes ko. I'm taking a break for a while. Medyo nababurn out ako on things, but I'm still writing contents and I will be posting soon. Pero right now, I'm taking a small break kasi baka ma-burn out nga ako. After all, I'm really thankful for your support and thank you for watching my videos, mga paandar ko doon. I really appreciate it, though not directly expressed. Pero Yes, I guess that's it for this episode. We'll get back to our typical contents in the future. This is like special episodes, special episodes where I unbox things. So yes, I guess see you on the next Jane.